of the day. Hello everyone. Here are some best word of the day for children. So let's get started. Good morning teachers and my dear friends. Today's word of the day is attain, meaning succeed in achieving something that one has worked for. Word of the day is concern, meaning a feeling of worry or care about a person. Word of the day is infinite, meaning limitless or endless. Anything that is impossible to measure and calculate. Word of the day is consolation, meaning the comfort received by a person after a loss or disappointment. Word of the day is dexterous, meaning showing or having skill, especially with the hands. Word of the day is determination, meaning the ability to continue trying to do something, even if it is difficult. Word of the day is dynamic, meaning constant change or motion. Word of the day is incredible, meaning difficult to believe, extraordinary. Word of the day is perception, meaning the ability to see, hear, or become aware of something through the senses. Word of the day is tremendous, meaning something wonderful or something large in size or scale. Word of the day is endeavor, meaning try hard to do or achieve something. Word of the day is enthusiasm, meaning the ability to show a keen interest in a subject or an activity. Word of the day is consolidation, meaning the action or process of making something stronger or more solid. Word of the day is colleagues, meaning person working together in the same institution. Word of the day is enlighten, meaning give someone greater knowledge and understanding about a subject or situation. of the day is sustainability, meaning the ability to be maintained at a certain rate or level. Word of the day is bystander, meaning a person who is present at an event or an incident but does not take part. Word of the day is procrastination, meaning the action of delaying or postponing something. Word of the day is itinerary, meaning a travel document recording a route or journey. Please subscribe our channel to get more educational videos.